12-sided fidget cube. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Dodecagon Fidget Toy for children and adults. Stress and anxiety relief, anti-depression for all ages. Helps with ADHD, OCD, ADD and Autism. Featuring 12 sides for you to click, spin, roll, flick, rotate, which including rotating disc, joystick, worry groove, switch, soft clicker, silica rope, sliding blocks, squishy buds, gears, triangle button, finger massage and stress ball. It's pocket size for any child or adult. You can easily play in one hand and carry anywhere, whether you're at work, home or on the road. Just keep yourself relaxed. This fidget reduces tension and eliminate anxiety, helping you to develop focus and concentration, adding more fun, especially suitable for those with extra energy like ADD, ADHD, OCD, and Autism. Also effective tool to get rid of the habits such as leg shaking, pen biting and nail biting. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.